There are some modern parts, there are some old towns, there are some water towns, there are other side of China she never been before. So I took her here in Qibao. You can see old street views, and as well as you can try some local cuisines as well. That's why I thought maybe it's a perfect place for her to explore the local Shanghai food. Let me show you. So she's here. So today we're gonna explore some local authentic side of China, like street kind of view. Are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Okay, so let's go and explore. So today weather is bit cold. I mean, the winter is almost approaching. So I have heard from many people, and I have also experienced in Shanghai. This year was the longest summer, and like last year about this time it was most cold, but now still a little bit cold. So yeah, many people say that is the longest summer. Let's go. So near to Qibao station they have got this mall, so people can actually go shopping and also explore the street view. So let's go. Oh, you can see there are people who are cleaning the street. Okay, so look at this. Even in this area you will see, and the police over there managing traffic. Yeah. So I'm gonna ask her what is the first things she observed and what make it difference as compared to our home country. So what do you think? What's your first impression when we are walking on the street? So what do you observe?
My first observation is that city is very clean.
And how about the traffic? Is it managed?
Yes, well managed.
Yeah.
People are following rules.
Yes, absolutely. Whoever come to Shanghai or in China, the first thing they notice is how clean it is, how well managed it is. So yeah, this is absolutely true. And let's
Weather is
go.
also beautiful.
Yes, the weather is extremely good now, and especially during this time. And you can enjoy a lot of food. I can show you some local cuisines. You can, this shop, you see there are seeds. This is called sunflower seeds. So people normally eat these seeds. This is the peanut and this is pumpkin seed, I guess. So these all are the seeds people usually eat in China. So maybe you can try, you will also like it. And those are the chestnuts. As you see, my sister-in-law, she came to China first time to experience Chinese culture, and whatever she have heard in Western media or the media. So she came here to see by herself. Okay, so last time we been here as well. I see there are many construction right now ongoing. Maybe they are renovating these things. So yeah, here you can see she want to see some clips and something. So here you can get a lot of things. She feels it's so cute. Okay, so but still I can see there are the shops. So yes, let's go. See this view, guys. Isn't it amazing? Lovely, the breathtaking view. You can see the authentic real China. Look at here, and absolutely nice weather. So this is the real beauty of China, guys. So I've been to these places many times, but I absolutely love it. And whenever my family members or friend come here, I really want them to go this place and explore. In Shanghai you will rarely see this kind of old street and old view, because it's now quite modern, but still there are places where you can explore the authentic side as well. So if you have not seen my other video when my sister came and my mother come, you can go and watch that video too. You can see there are many kids today. I see most of the places kids are exploring, and that is good thing. Kids go there like old style street side places, and they explore their culture. This is really a good thing actually. This place is kind of little bit old style, like street view. In Shanghai you will get rarely this view, so this is little bit outer from the city. And I can show you this kind of structure you see here. So this is, so if you have some kind of wish, you can write it over and hang it over, so people believe your wish come true. So this is kind of beliefs in people. You can see so many people here do this kind of things.
Kids from school?
Yes, look like these kids got some holiday or vacation, so they just want to come here and explore.
Okay.
Hi. Hello. Say hi.
Hello.
We are from India. Indu. Eliza Indu.
We know.
You know? You know English? A bit?
My English is not good.
You understand. That's a good. And how? My Chinese is not good. So normally in China you will see people are more friendly towards tourists. They will give you nice smile. They will talk to you.
Yes.
Even though they don't know language, but still they will try.
Yes.
So we coming to this shop and she really like these stones. I mean, we can make a bracelet with our name. So let's find it out. So we are done with it. Show me. Does it look nice? So we are done. She buy one bracelet for her. Maybe she will take India and show their friends and family and they will love it. Okay, so let me show you one nice thing. This is called pickles, right? This lacho, spicy. We can taste. You can try. So this is la, chongqing. You can try. This have peanuts. Peanuts, right? This. Okay.
Good. This is very crunchy. Spicy. This is like little bit sweet.
Ah, I see. So these are the tea. You can try. So we try the tea. It's good.
健康好喝的
你好，谢谢。
会动的对吧？这个补气血祛湿的。
It's sweet, sour.
那来，Jasmine，
This is jasmine.
好喝的花果
You
茶，
want to try?
来尝尝看吧。
This is the jasmine one. We try jasmine.
健康好喝的花
Okay. So this is like silver work they are doing. These are the leather bags. So you can see the streets are very narrow, but it will give you the most authentic vibe. So she actually enjoying this view. Say thank you. 谢谢。
Where from?
Hindu. Oh, this Hindu.
Welcome to China. Welcome to Shanghai.
Thank you so much. She really got shocked to see this. So she really liked this thing. She was saying like, "Oh my God, is it? It's completely different thing." She never saw that. So look at this. There are a lot of souvenir. Actually, you can get it for your home and your family and friends. So look, we buy the similar one. Now we look like sisters. So let's go more. She really enjoying it. And look at this street. So now is not that crowdy, but especially when you come during the festival, New Year, this street will be extremely crowded. She wanted to see what are they selling. Seafood. People actually enjoy here. She really enjoying, you see. So as you can see, there are so many local street food available here. So you can actually enjoy like how the local people enjoy the local food. This no meat. This sutai. So we are trying this.
解锁手机，后一下支付。
So we buy this. Let her try first. It's completely veg. Is it good? How does it taste? Actually, this food is not that spicy, and she likes so spicy. But for me, it's okay because I like spicy and all that kind of food. So for me, it's okay, and of course, it's a vegetarian as well. It's all dry fruit which kept in here, so you can try and taste. There are plums, there are oranges. So let's try some more food. I also want to try. He made it very fresh. Just now he prepared. It's very fresh actually. Now we're gonna try this vegetable pancake. It's like 7 RMB, so we will try that. So it's like a stir-fried dumpling. This okay? Yes. So we are enjoying our food as well as I have buy this pancakes. See, lot of food actually. And these are some sweet dumplings, I guess. Pinky tofu. This is how we are enjoying our day, having nice delicious food and trying some local cuisines, as well as try to interact with local as well, because local here are very nice, friendly and warm, welcoming to foreigner. Actually, it's a bit spicy, so I'm trying this pancake. See how honest they are. I pay 15, but they say no, it's 10. This wontons, vegetable wontons, so we're gonna try these. So this is kind of soup normally people drink, have mushroom. So normally people like here. You see a lot of drink. This is vegetable. Look at the weather, guys, and view. This is all you can see in the street view of China.